Hi guys, today we talk about how can you get conversation on your Elsa speak up. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So then it's going when you click on this sign, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go above this list here, then you swipe. So just swipe like this. When conversation show for you, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on start. Then you just switch into open video. And here if you want to get free, you just switch in when this time it's end, or can you get premium here to open video. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.